Alright, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Toman for math again, and we're going to learn the numbers, and we're going to learn how to count. Alright, let's get started. Alright, boys and girls, to warm up our brain, we're going to look at the flashcards and tell how many dots there are. 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 5, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, last one, 5. Very good job. Well, boys and girls, now it's time to review the numbers we've already learned. Alright, what number is this? Who remembers? That's right, it's the number 1. And we start at the black dot and jaw straight down. Then we're done. That's how we write the 1. Jaw straight down, then you're done. That's how we write the 1. Jaw straight down, then you're done. That's how we write the 1. Okay, the next number remembers. That's right, 2. Around and back on the railroad track. That's how we write a 2, 2, 2. Around and back on the railroad track. That's how we write a 2, 2, 2. Around and back on the railroad track. That's how we write a 2, 2, 2. Good job. All right, today, boys and girls, we're going to learn about the number 3. What number do you see today? Yes, this is the number 3. Let's make a 3 in the sky. Have you ever seen a bike with 3 wheels? Yes, it's called a tricycle. Look at this star cube. How many dots do you see? Yes, I see 3 dots. Let's count them one by one. 1, 2, 3. Boys and girls, I want to practice 3 in multiple ways. You can clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can stomp 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Think of different ways that you can practice counting to 3. Today we're going to look at a math image. Can you talk math about this image? Can we count the items? How many fuzzy palms do you see? 3, that's right. How many blocks do you see? I see 3 blocks. How many crayons do you see? That's right, I see 3 crayons. So I see 3 fuzzy palms, 3 crayons, and 3 blocks. blocks. Okay, boys and girls, now I want you to get a 5 frame as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames or boxes. And just like pictures, they're frames. I want you to get your 5 frame, and I want you to get some counters here. And I want you to show me the same set as the blocks. So there are 1, 2, 3 blocks. I want you to show me 1, they're stuck together, 2, 3 on the 10 frame. Just like that. So there's 3 blocks, and there's 3 cubes. 3 circles, 3 counters. Okay, good. Next, I want you to look at the yellow bears. Count how many there are and make the same set. Good, there were 1, 2 yellow bears, so I put 2 counters down. All right, let's pick them up. Let's do the blue spider. How many blue spiders are there? Make the same set on your 5 frame. Make sure you put it on this block here. That's right, there's 1 spider, so you're going to do 1 counter. All right, let's take a look at the blue cubes, the blue cubes underneath the horse. Count how many there are, and then make that set. There you go. There are 2 cubes, so you're going to have 2 counters. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do the crayons. How many crayons are there? Make the same set with the counters and the 5 frame. All right, so you should have 3 counters because there are 3 crayons. All right, very good job. All right, boys and girls, now it's time to learn how to write the number 3. There are 1, 2, 3 fingers. You can show 3 with your fingers. There is 3 dots, 1, 2, 3 on the dice. You can show 3 that way. You can show 3 by writing the number 3. Okay, so the black dot shows where you start, and then the arrows show which way to go. So you start here, you go around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. And I don't know if you can see this, but I drew a little tree here. And I draw a little tree. I can draw a tree again for you so you can see that we're going to go around these trees here. Pretend like there's trees there. Now, you're not going to draw trees when you write the 3, right? We're make-believing. So you're going to go around the tree, around the tree. That's how we write a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, in the math folder here, you are going to get the sheet that says 1, 3. This is 1, it says you can 1.3 N-A-M-E, that spells name. So you're going to nicely, as best as you can, write your name in the name box. Remember, you have a lot of things with your name on it. If you need to go get that and look at it, that's quite okay. Okay. Now, if I go too fast for you, you can always pause the video and then unpause it when you're ready. If you need a home helper to help you, then go ahead and get them. All right, so with the first one, the first thing you do is you trace and you say the poem. You start here, around the tree, around the tree. That's how we write a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Now it's time to write the number on our own. Start up top. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. All right, boys and girls. So it's now time to circle all the 3s. Circle the 3. No, nope. Yes, it's a 3. 1, 1, 3, 3. Okay. Now I'm going to do 3 on the 10 frame. And I'm just going to use the same color because my crayons are way over there. Oops, sorry. I'm going to draw 1 more here. Okay, so now for this one, I can do it a lot of different ways. I can do 3 here and 0 there. Or I can do 0 here and 3 there. I can do 1 here and 2 there, or 2 there and 1 there. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1 here, 1 here, and here. So I have 1, 2, 3 dots, and that's all. If I had 1 more dot, it would be 4, and that wouldn't be right. I have 1, 2, 3 dots. All right, so now I can go ahead, back over, and I can color in my number 3s to celebrate that I know how to do the number 3s. So let me go ahead and get my crayons, my colored pencils. Remember, I start coloring where I would start writing. I'm going to stay in the lines, take my time, make sure my pencil grip is correct. And you can choose any color you want. You don't have to choose the same color Mrs. Trollman did. Okay. Oh, I like this color. Okay, and last but not least, the last 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. All right, boys and girls, I would like to see a picture of this so you can get your smiling face for the day. Okay. All right, boys and girls, that's it for our math lesson today. Today we learned how to identify, write, and count to the number 3. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.